Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower drive shaft on your string trimmer, use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the gear case locking screw. Using a 3/8" socket or nut driver, unthread the clamp screw, and you can remove the gear case and trimmer head. Next, unthread the mounting bolts securing the guard assembly to the drive shaft. Now unthread the wing screw to loosen the clamp securing the lower shaft. Depress the retaining button to release the old shaft. Install the new lower drive shaft by inserting it into the upper shaft, making sure the retaining button aligns with the hole. Fully thread the wing screw to tighten the clamp. Install the guard by hooking it on the mounting bracket, then align it on the shaft and thread the mounting bolt to secure. Position the gear case and trimmer head on the drive shaft. Align the hole in the gear case with the hole in the drive shaft and thread the locking screw. With the gear case secure, tighten the clamp screw, and your string trimmer should be ready for use.